Hello everyone, today's topic of discussion is the growing threat of digital payment frauds. Recently, there has been a significant increase in digital payment fraud cases worldwide. In India alone, the number of digital payment frauds nearly doubled in fiscal year 2023 to 6,659 from 3,596 in fiscal year 2022. The total amount of fraud also increased from rupees 155 crore to rupees 276 crore. This alarming trend is a wake-up call for businesses and consumers alike to be more vigilant about protecting themselves from digital payment fraud. First of all, let us understand what is digital payment fraud. Digital payment fraud is any fraudulent activity that involves the use of digital payment methods such as credit cards, debit cards, and online banking. This type of fraud takes advantage of the convenience and speed of digital transactions to manipulate or deceive individuals, businesses, or financial institutions. Now let us talk about the different types of digital payment frauds. First type is phishing. This is a type of scam where fraudsters send emails or text messages that appears to be from legitimate sources such as banks or payment providers. The emails or text messages may contain links when clicked will redirect the victim to a fraudulent website that is designed to look like the real website. The victim may then enter their personal information on the fraudulent website, which can then be stolen by the fraudsters. Second type is card cloning. This is where fraudsters copy the information from a victim's credit or debit card and use it to make unauthorized purchases. This can be done by using a skimmer, which is a device that can be attached to a card reader to steal the card's information. Third type is invoice fraud. This is where the fraudsters send invoices to victims that appear to be from legitimate businesses. The invoices often contain fake account numbers or routing numbers. So when the victim pays the invoice, the money goes to the fraudster. Another type is account takeover and unauthorized transactions. In an account takeover, criminals gain unauthorized access to individuals' online accounts, often by exploiting weak passwords or vulnerabilities in security systems. Now, why is digital payment fraud on the rise? First major reason is increased digital transactions. As more people and businesses adopt digital payment methods for convenience and efficiency, the sheer volume of transactions has risen substantially. This increased digital footprint provides more opportunities for cyber criminals to target potential victims. Second reason is the increasing sophistication of fraudsters. Cyber criminals have become more skilled and sophisticated in their methods. They are constantly finding new ways to exploit the vulnerabilities in digital payment systems. Third main reason is the lack of awareness among consumers. Many consumers are not aware of the risk of digital payment frauds and do not take steps to protect themselves. Fourth major reason is global connectivity. The interconnected nature of the internet allows cyber criminals to operate across borders, making it challenging for law enforcement agencies to track and apprehend them. Another major challenge is inadequate security measures. While technology has evolved rapidly, not all digital payment platforms and services have implemented robust security measures. Weak passwords, lack of multi-factor authentication, and outdated security protocols can make it easier for cybercriminals to compromise accounts. Now, what can be the possible solutions? First is to educate the public. The government can educate the public about the risk of digital payment fraud and how to protect themselves. This can be done through public awareness campaigns, school programs, and other outreach efforts. Second solution is stronger authentication methods. Promote the adoption of stronger authentication methods such as multi-factor authentication, biometric verification, and tokenization. Encourage service providers to make multi-factor authentication mandatory for sensitive transactions. Third point is strengthening legal framework. Continuously updating and strengthening the legal framework can help to address the evolving nature of cybercrimes, ensuring that laws related to cybercrime, digital transactions, and data protections are relevant and enforceable. Another solution is international collaboration. Fostering international cooperation to combat cross border cybercrimes, collaborating with other countries to share intelligence, exchange information about cyber threats, and jointly investigating in cybercriminal networks. Overall, we can conclude by saying that the rising threat of digital payment fraud is a complex issue that requires a collaborative effort from all stakeholders. Governments can play a key role in preventing digital payment fraud by enacting strong laws against cybercrime, working with law enforcement agencies to investigate and prosecute cases of fraud, educating the public about the risk of digital payment fraud, and regulating digital payment providers. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Comment below what are your opinion on this topic, and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more hot topics like this.